Massey 1835 with the standard cab did not come with a radio. Unless I wanted to spend, they quoted about $500. That's ridiculous. So I took the cover off, and I'm not real good at editing videos, so this is going to be pretty basic. Kind of a first attempt to actually tie some videos together. So what we were researching is that we've got this Jensen. It was 30-something bucks on Amazon. And what I've read, if this is to be true or not, I'm still going to confirm. This is the wiring kit harness that comes for this little Jensen. There's no CD player, so that's as deep as it is, and that has the little tray for it. Okay? I'm told, and I cannot yet verify, that this plug-and-play harness, the 70-1784, is supposed to be compatible. You have to cross-reference wires, but for a plug-and-play, sort of. There is stripping that has to be done, but we will cross-reference from the radio side supplied to the adapter I bought that should be plug-and-play. Get up here once. It's back in there. There's a plug right there that did come with the tractor. So we're going to get started. And something I hate doing, I have to admit, is RTFM, read the effing manual. So we're going to do that now. We'll see how this goes. All right, when we took the mounting tray out, this was the faceplate already provided with the tractor and a block-out plate. So I just set that on the side. And it did fit in there. Took a little bit of pushing, but no trimming needed. So now we're going to bend the tabs, whichever ones look appropriate to lock it into place. All right, next step, again, I marked the T for the top. Not that it matters, but we bent the 4 tabs out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the mounting portion, and again, that's the whole depth of the radio receiver. So that'll just fit in there. And I'll push it back, and the rest will be the wiring portion. So far, so good. The adapter that I picked up by recommendation online was the 70-1784. I tore the bag open, so I set that down. Comes like this, and in the tractor, these were blue taped together. And we will do some cross-referencing of the colors, so that comes apart. However, try to do this with one hand. I did put it together once already, so this indeed does slide together. So that will work, and I'll show you once we get things wired up and cross-referenced colors, and to see if indeed they're crossed through or if we have to cross-reference. All right, so we cross-reference from the radio to online, which I can supply a link below what the tractor comes with. For example, we cross-referenced here and followed where they came out. So there are some changes, some differences with this kit. So we'll see if we got it right before I start giving answers. Everything looks to be. And the only thing I got to verify is that I didn't turn around, leave those two. So we'll see. With this kit, I'll supply the links. It's going to be easier than me telling you which one, and then you looking across all the mess in the garage here. But I think we got her to work. We'll put her together, tuck everything in there. I'm going to wrap it up a little bit so we don't have anything like those that are touching each other, or these that are not needed, because this cab only has 2 speakers, 1 and 2. And for reference, which I wasn't sure, the cab did come with speakers. All right, so the Jensen is sitting down there. We've got everything up and working. I think we got it all set up right. So if we band, we'll go to, let's see if we can get it off of, mode. There, auxiliary, we'll go to radio. So not fantastic audio, but I give blame or credit to partially the speakers that it came with. They're going to be more than enough sound there. Bluetooth on this little $30-something Jensen is fantastic. Right. I think we got success. Nothing smoking. We got music coming out, so the NPR 210 was like about $32, $35, somewhere in there. Tiny little Bluetooth receiver. We had the factory plate came with the tractor. And so just one cross-reference wiring harness, which we did reference in an earlier video clip, and it seems to work. really quick with Bluetooth. If you go to mode and you select Bluetooth, it'll take over the microphone here. But yeah, not a lot of bass or anything. I can give credit or blame not only to, you know, a cheap receiver, but perhaps the crappy speakers that are in here. But it's music, and it works excellent with Bluetooth. So, oh, maybe that'll fix it. I'm learning something new as I record. Interesting. Balance, fade, which we only have rears. Wow, cool. Very worthwhile little radio. $30-something with the kit versus they quoted about $500 to have Massey do it at the local dealer. So, no brainer.